I have seen this kind of business several times, and I wondered, what is this? Thousands of broken watches, straps, bodies. Yeah, useless. Spending your day doing this. That's what I thought until a lug came off my plastic watch. First I asked my repair shop. No, they had no idea to fix it. And then I had this chap, and I showed him, say, you have this case? He said no right away. He knew what they had in this all the 1,000 watches here. Yeah, so I had to repair it myself. Here we got a serious technical challenge. The strap has come off the watch because the upper left lug has been broken. I don't remember how it happened. It's a nice watch. I can buy a similar one or exactly the same, I think, for $4. So it's more of a challenge than a matter of saving money. I happen to have that stiff metal, call it wire, on the left, and I've been bending it and spending some time to get it fixed. I'll show you. Yeah, now we're looking at the back side. So the wire is in the remaining lug there, comes through here, and then we have to keep it fixed in place here. So I've been bending it so, and then down here it's bent down, so it holds onto the case a bit in the position there. And now I'm going to use tape to keep it down on the case. And now I put some very sticky tape to hold the metal wire down on the case. If it works, I will find out, yeah. Let me turn it around here, 1 second. Yes, look here, nice case of invisible repair, isn't it? Let's see, I will bring out the black pen and see if I can cover up and hide the metal wire up there. 1 second. Yeah, look here, the end result, a little from a felt pen up there, will wear off probably, but anyhow, fixed with the use of only a pair of pliers. So let's see how it wears. If the tape doesn't hold on the back, maybe I use some epoxy or something to fix it rigidly on the back. So. Okay, invisible repairs. Yeah, now I wore the watch for 1 day, and then I see that here upper right corner the strap is drifting out. What can I do? Yeah, I will remove the tape, and I will try to change the bend of the metal wire so it catches down on the lower edge of the casing. That may do, it has a downward bend at the end, so it can catch a bit there. Yeah, I have bent the metal wire, so now it has a grip at the bottom of the case, so it keeps the right hand corner of the upper right hand corner of the strap more in place. As I put the tape back again, it doesn't make a very positive holding of the wire. As I said, something like, what is it called? Epoxy would do better, but then there would be a problem when it's time for battery change, then hold the stainless steel back, it comes off. So, okay, maybe we try this for a while.